If you are a person not able to achieve fluency in English and you have been trying to speak English for the last so many days, but still you are struggle to speak in English, okay, then if this is as your problem, in this video I am gonna say and tell three mistakes that you are making in your English fluency journey. So just if you watch this video till the end, you will get the complete information and what are those three mistakes and where you are lacking between the mistakes and where I am stucking in the middle to speak and why this fluency is not reaching to me, though I am investing a lot of time and though I am interested to speak a lot, interested to get the fluency obviously, but why I am not able to speak, why I am not able to achieve fluency. If this is your problem, so just try to watch this video till the end, you will get the complete solution, okay. First problem and the mistake that you are making, you are having, you are good at grammar but you are not good at practicing, you are not good at having conversation with the people. Yes, you heard me right. Why? Because we always focus on grammar more than practicing, right? We don't give enough importance, enough time to practice English in our regular daily life, but we always try to invest more and more time and we always try to be curious and interested to know more and more about the grammar. Of course it is the right thing and we all feel like the more grammar we know, the more English, the more fluency we can get. And as I said, we all think like the more grammar we know, the more fluency we can achieve in English, and if we feel like that, we are completely making the biggest mistake. Why? Because English and fluency is all about the more and more practicing, right? It's not about how much grammar you know and how much you are intelligent about grammar. It is not about that thing, right? But it is English fluency is about uh, speaking with full of flow. And as I said, stop investing a lot of time on learning grammar, okay. So from today, start and focus more and more on practicing English and obviously you'll get the better results. And this is all about the first point I wanted to say about it, okay. And the second mistake and the problem, I would call it as a problem, majority of the people are translating, they are trying to translating every single word from their mother tongue in this to this English language. Yes, obviously it is happening. They're feeling like whatever I am getting and however I speak my mother tongue, so in the same way I can translate everything word by word to this English language. So through that process I can become fluent in English. So as I said, it is also the biggest problem. You will not get the fluency by translating every single word from your mother tongue to this English language. You will get your fluency whenever you try to be with the flow and no matter how many mistakes you are making and without considering the mistakes, if you keep trying to push yourself to practice the more and more, so in this way you will get the fluency. Otherwise, the more translate I do, the more fluency I'll get. It completely will waste your time and you will feel very bad about yourself after doing that. So whatever, if you get habituated to this problem in your future as well, whatever you try to speak in English, at the back of mind you always have to translate every single word. So try to rectify this mistake, don't get habituated to this bad habit, okay. And the third biggest mistake that you are making, not accepting your level of fluency as of now. Yes, you heard me right, because accepting our level of fluency is very important for you to get become better in your English level. right? So if you keep on irritating with your level of fluency, and if you keep on uh, hating about your level of fluency in English, how can you become better in English, right? How can you achieve that fluency levels? First of all, you have to accept, because you are not a pro speaker, you are at the beginner's level or medium level, whatever, wherever the place you are. First of all, you have to accept that particular situation or moment in your position, right? So then there will be so many chance and scope to level up your English and to level up your uh, fluency in English, right? So otherwise, if you keep on irritating with your level of fluency, believe me, you will never get fluency in English, right? Always have as an try to be as an optimistic, right? So don't behave like a pessimistic kind of mind. Be with a positive mindset, and be with a positive attitude, and always try to learn more and more. Try to grab information from the place wherever you like, right? So then your mind will get habitized to learn more and more. So this is how a language we can learn, right? Otherwise, if you keep on trying to avoid practicing, and not accepting your level of fluency, not believing yourself, and missing the consistency, we do all these things, obviously we fail to achieve fluency. So this is the truth, right? I hope you got my point, and at least from today, so just try to avoid making these three mistakes, and this is all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. Okay.